In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone being stuck on the Apple logo. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying. Let's say you're trying to restart your phone, update it, anything like that, and it's just stuck on the Apple logo. It might have been there for like 10, 20 minutes and nothing's changing at all. So it's actually a very easy fix, and what you're gonna have to do is hard reset your phone. So when it's stuck on the Apple logo, the first thing you want to do is you're going to see your buttons on the right and the left as well. So like left and right. And what you want to do first is press the volume up button once, press the volume down button once, and then you're going to see your power button and then hold this down. Obviously mine's on right now, so it's showing Siri, but just hold it down after you do that sequence and just hold it down for about 15 to 20 seconds. Then you're going to basically see your Apple logo disappear and it's just going to be a complete black screen. That's going to basically be your phone completely shutting down. And then after about a minute of waiting, then go ahead and press it down again, and then your iPhone, should turn on properly, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.